Good morning. Awesome. Are we up on YouTube? Not yet. We are not. There we are. We are now live on YouTube. Got that all set up. Let's go ahead and man, TRIT. I just caught that on my scanners. I was looking to catch this. Thought this was gonna continue to rip to the upside, but nope, did not. I was looking for a bounce off VWAP. Made a small bounce, but did not work out in our favor. Let's go ahead and then we are also looking at DATS. Now, DATS does have launches social network plus messaging platform. So that's pretty good. I do think we are going to hold our gains during pre-market. I think whatever we hold pre-market, we're gonna be just holding it. We are trying to hold that 877 level right now. Hold that 8770 level. We potentially have room back up to $10 and maybe even possibly 12. And we will see what happens. Break below that low. I'm not looking to touch it really for the rest of the day. I mean, break below 877. I'm not a huge fan of it at all. And we have MDGS that ripped from $1.44 all the way up to $2.35. Gave everything back pretty much. All the way to $2.35. I'm not a huge fan of MDGS. Is there any news? That's great. They're coming out. It's formed a new joint venture to trade NFT assets, and will invest up to $5 million. I'll look at it in a sec. So they're looking to invest up to $5 million. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna keep it on the watch list just because of that news. We have SGFY. GFY. There we go. It's not moving pre-market, so dumped. Broke below that low. I wouldn't be looking to catch a false breakout or falling knife, excuse me. We are getting some RSI divergence as well. We're making lower lows and our RSI is making higher lows. So that's a good sign for potential reversal. For SGFY, would you guys rather see my screen like this? You still wire? Yeah, that wire coming through. That's not. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna put my wire underneath my monitor. There we go. All right, so I am also DATS. I want it to hold 877 here, and I also want to see MDGS for the break. I'm not a huge fan of MDGS at all right now. I'm moving this in the bottom of my watch list. We have HCWB. This is kind of just dying off, which now I'm not a fan of it. I mean, but we did rip from 291 or from 291 all the way to 872. So let's go ahead and look and see what the flow is. The flow is 12 million, and it's the relative volume is absolutely insane. Now the relative volume is definitely there. It's definitely over 10 times relative volume. So I think this is going to be my top stock to watch. Just because we had this big spike. And announces appointment for 2 new members to board of the directors. Receives FDA clearance to proceed with phase B clinical trial for cancer. Yes. Emergency message. Yep. Is Cash App safe to put on TikTok? Is it safe to put Cash App on TikTok? I'm confused on what the question is. The market is fucked. Sheep is the only game in town. Yeah, I agree. I mean, I'm looking for puts. AMD, I've been looking for puts for a couple of days now, but I haven't had a good sign to get an entry. This first sign on AMD, very high wick to the upside, increasing in volume, but it just kept it opened and ripped to the upside. So today I'm actually looking, and it's same thing, even more increasing in volume, higher wick. So I do want to see us break yesterday's low, and I'm taking puts down for AMD. Now I would be taking the October 22nd put, or the October 29th put, break over to, I'd be taking like the 120 put. So let's see how much we could possibly make. We take the 120 put. And Shiba Inu could absolutely rip. I mean, if we break, if we go to, I mean, realistically, if we move another, if Shiba goes up another 30%, we're passing XRP and Polkadot in market cap. So that's crazy. That's insane. So we have AMD. It's gonna be at 23.17, and now I'm looking to buy puts. October 29th, $120 puts. I'd buy 3 of them. We're done this. So I'd be looking for it to come down to like 120 today. And I can make 70%, but if it comes down to my actual price target, I'll make 160%. So if I can catch a hook off the break of this 22.15 here, and I can play it back down to 120 for 1%, I would get 60% off those options. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for AMD if we break this pre-market low. I'm gonna play it down to yesterday's low, which is where I'm gonna play. And if we get a lot of momentum and break through yesterday's low, then I'm gonna hold down to 119 to 118 for AMD. And then I'm also looking for, for Zoom. Now Zoom, I've been kind of in and out of Zoom, but now what I'm seeing is a moving average squeeze between the 20 EMA and the 50 SMA. So what I want to see is have a nice bullish reaction off today and maybe start to consolidate. If we have a nice bullish reaction today and start to consolidate and maybe stay in between, then I might look to enter here. Your stops are below yesterday's low, or in pre-market lows. You have room back up to potentially 300. I mean, I would assume that if we break this moving average squeeze, we have room back up to 300, no problem. We have to break once we break the 50-day moving average SMA, we can easily see this back up to 300. Break 300. I mean, we have room back up to 310 with this previous high, 305 pretty much. And then we do have a gap to fill all the way back up at 342, and that's where the 200 SMA is as well. So I think we could see a lot of potential here for Zoom. Either we're gonna break to the downside or break to the upside. But we have a nice double bottom, and here's this pullback. So we'll see if we can break this 50 SMA here. Nick, you had some follow. Can you do an AREC chart analysis? Yes. Very choppy. We made a double bottom, which is what I want to see. It looks like we're making a higher low now. We're pulling on, or we bounced on the 50 SMA. So that's a good sign. I mean, as long as we know, I want to hold this $2 level for AREC. If we don't hold the $2 level, then I'm not too confident in AREC. I don't see much of a trade plan. I mean, if you're investing long term, like I think you're in a good situation, a good position right now, but I wouldn't personally trade this right now. And that's a strategic partnership with AMG. So we have METX. Is METX still ripping? No, it's not. It is not. I was looking for the ascending triangle breakout here, but again, you don't know it. I mean, if we break over the 50-cent level for METX, I think we're going to easily see. So METX has a lot of potential today for the break over 50 cents. Break over 50 cents, we room up to 55. Pretty easy. I mean, I think so. I am looking for that. I mean, I would take a fat size. I would probably take like 3,000 shares or something stupid like that. Yeah, I would take like 3,000. 3,000 shares, and if I can play this up to 160, okay, that would be a big move. That'd be a big move. Maybe even 155. Catch 5. Catch 5. Then that'd be around 150 bucks if I can catch that up too, potentially. Which one again? I'm which one again? Yes, this is METX. So METX over 50 cents. Guys, I am live on YouTube, so you can come see whatever you can come see my screen and you can come see my face. So come over to the YouTube. It's Stock Talk Trade. It's links in bio. But yes, we're watching METX right now. Yeah, they got FDA clearance, so I am going to still be watching HCWB. All right, all right, all right. Now, HWCB is a low float. DBGI is also a low float, 5 million. So I am watching DBGI. We have BKKT dumping here. I was trying to trade it off this reversal here, somewhere in here, but then this candle stopped me out. And I decided that I wasn't going to trade it just because it's pre-market. But I am watching this back below. I mean, I don't like that we got rid, or that we couldn't hold 30 bucks. That's unfortunate. Yeah, so HCWB could absolutely run today. We have great news. We have HCWB. Now we have great news. We have great volume. The average volume is 150,000. Today's volume is 8.5 million. It's the top gainer. The news jump after FDA clearance drug. So they got a clearance for a drug trial, excuse me, for cancer. This has all the potential to rip today. I mean, METX over 50 has a lot. Oh man, I need to stretch a little bit more. My hips are tight. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like. Now, okay, I need to. Let's go ahead and check out. I have another scanner list that I just pulled up for live. Let's go ahead and look at that. See if there's anything. Right now, the top volume is. I don't know why. Relative volume. Okay. METX. Yes, I am watching METX over 50 cents or over this pre-market high. Over yeah, over 51.50. I think we could easily see this back up to 55, 56. I mean, there's really not much resistance until 57.8 and then potentially 65 and then this high at 70. So there's plenty of what we can do, and we also might have an ascending triangle. So I definitely want to see this start to hold. If this doesn't start to bounce here, I'm not a fan of it at all. It needs to start. It needs to bounce right here. It needs to. If it doesn't, then it's most likely for the rest of the day going to break this low and then come down. I mean, there's not much else that we can do for METX, but I do really like it. I do like the potential for the potential ascending triangle breakout here. And again, let's if we can do a measured move, but I'm not a huge fan of measured moves, but we can give us a price target of around 60 cents. Now, I think realistically, I take my profits in a different order than what a measured move would be. Let's say you snipe an entry right here. You snipe an entry right here. I'm going to sell some right at breakout. And I actually should be looking at my... Let's go and look at the 5-minute chart here. Let's see if I can... Okay, we're very, very far away. To me, that's telling me that... Oh, wait, so I will maybe... So I would be buying right now, but I'm not going to. I would be buying on this dip right here, but I do not like that I can only use a limit order. I would be scaling in to this position, but I'm not a huge fan of this. I mean, I like how the stochastic full is very far away. That's telling me that it's not super bearish. It's bearish when we stay, or bullish when we stay up there. But it looks like we are only there. And we also have that increasing in volume on this spread with a lower wick. So I would have been buying up on this dip, and I think we could see this continue to bounce on this low, and that's what we're seeing right now on the 1 minute as well. PED, let me look. Not liking the chart at all. Yeah, not liking it at all. Give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna go to the restroom. Alrighty. Let's get this going. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Okay. Man, I've been vibing with better days now. Alrighty. I want to see you guys so I can respond to you guys a little bit better than just having it on my charts. But if you do want it on my charts, let me know. But come over to YouTube and you can see my charts as well. We have HCWB right now. I am looking for that to kind of bounce here. We have DATS. Man, I don't like this wire. I need to get some wireless ones. DBGI is ripping now. Very bullish. What about XRP? I like XRP. I think we can continue to XRP can continue to push. I'm not a huge fan of BKKT. What about METX? Is that holding? That bounced beautifully off of our trend line. I don't like DBIG with all of these upper wicks. It got rejected off this level 4 times. Thing is, I'm looking for puts below pre-market lows. I'm also looking Shiba. It's going to the moon. I mean, we have very light volume on the pullback. We dumped and then got a huge, just people are buying it up. I mean, if you got in a good, great, you could have made 30% in 4 hours. We might have landed on the moon already. Yeah, I'm seeing it up there too. I mean, if we move up another like 30%, then we are definitely going. Shiba's gonna pass XRP and Polkadot in market cap. Let's go ahead and look at the market cap real quick. Muppet money. Smile. I'm confused. Uh-oh, Shiba Inu. Is that 42,000? Or not 42,000. Is that 42 billion and XRP is at 50 billion? So 42 if Shiba goes up 17%, we will pass XRP in market cap. All in thoughts on XRP. We love a short king. Yeah. I don't know. I'm 5'10", 5'11". I don't know if I'm short. Fuck it. I don't care. If you consider that short, fuck it, then that's short. I could care less. I've seen some fucking things on my TikTok where people are getting like tall extensions, like leg extensions basically, where they get rods put in their leg. I'm like, at that point, like, I don't know. I don't care if I'm like, damn, RFL absolutely dumped from 30 down to 6. I don't know. Got 33. Any good Nah, you good height? Yeah. I got 33,000. Any good tickers? I should put it in. So, not for trading. I don't think for day trading at all. I'm not going to tell you guys to go buy something day trading because I don't have a strategy. If you guys don't have well, I do have my strategy, but nothing's working right now. So if you don't have your strategy, I don't suggest mirror trading. But if you guys, I think you should throw it into crypto. Not right now. I think you should wait for the bull bear market because we are going to run, rip the upside, and then pull back, I think 70%. Could easily see it happening. And we have HCWB, nothing crazy. I'm not really watching anything right now. Okay, DBIG is consistently making new highs, so we got to keep that. But TRIT did not like that. I was trying to trade this back, but I wasn't able to get in quick enough. So I didn't even try to trade it. Everyone's IFRX is another one that we got to watch. TSLA, what's going on? Tesla 1070. That's stupid. I don't know how Tesla's just continuing to rip up. Like, I was thinking we were in a falling wedge back at 790, 770. I mean, right now I'm looking at for AMD puts. It's all I'm looking for. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. What's going on? Yeah, there it is. We're coming down. It's going to be a red day today. We're looking for puts. It's about time. It's fucking looking for puts. We have AMD puts that we're looking at. If my brokerage will fucking work. Oh, AMC broke the downside. Oh, man. I mean, AMC below the retest. I mean, I think AMC, if we come back retest. I mean, AMC bounce off 335. We could see this back down below potentially 30. We could see it back down to 33 today. So we're looking at AMC. What about crowd? Woo. I am looking for crowd puts here. Um, I think we can come down to around 270. That's still really expensive. Let's see if we can get in here. I want to see a retest. I want to see you come back and retest of this level before I even try to jump in here. I want to see a nice retest of crowd before I even try to get in here. So I got my order typed up for crowd. Yep, there's this retest. I want to see it come up and then not. I want to see it find resistance and then continue to come lower. I think we could see crowd back down to around 270, and it's ripping to the downside. I mean, give a chance, a chance, a chance, chance. Come on. IFRX, give me a sec. Oh, here, H. Is that halted? TIRT is halted. Halted. Woo, baby. This is what we're talking about. This is what we're looking for. This is what we're going for. Damn. So let's go ahead and look at what's going to happen here. I mean, we have some resistance at 8, but I'm not a fan. I'm not a huge fan of that. I want to gap up rate. We have room up to 10. Room over 10. I mean, room over to 1133 or 1130, and then potential 1250. So right now, TRIT is going to be live at 9:36:18. So we have around 3.5 minutes left. So let's go back to crowd strike and see if we can nail an entry. So it just absolutely come back, got retested. This is what we wanted to see. Shiba's Dutch Bros? No, I'm not too sure. Shiba, what's it about? Hey, it's about hype. That's all it is. We got even lighter volume on this move higher, so I want to see us not break over. I want to see us start. This could be a nice red to green move. Really long wick to the downside, but that might be a potential sign that we are actually looking. Wow, this spread is absolutely dog shit here. We're looking for 270 puts. I think 270. It's starting to get some volume now to the upside. Gapped up pretty strong. Let's go back to TRIT. Again, we're going to be live here at 9:36:18. So we have 2 minutes exactly now. Break a review op. This needs to crack above. Right now we have our asks. Ask is at $9. So I need to wait because I'm not a huge fan of the asks. Now, where's the bot? Where's the bid? I can't see where the bid is, which is unfortunate. All right, guys. So right when this opens, I'm gonna place my limit order at like right at VWAP. So like 785. That's gonna be my entry for. So I am looking to take this in the next 30 seconds or so. So let's see if we can get this to pop up. We also look at crowd, and crowd is ripping. That's why I didn't take my there we go. I want to see a better position than something like this. Even though we have increasing volume and this move higher, I definitely want to see us crack back below. Oh shit, I should probably go back. All right, we should be live here in 18 seconds, guys. 18 seconds. I want to see this gap up. Live here and now. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We should be live. No, I didn't want to get filled. Did not want to get filled there. No. What did I get filled at? I didn't mean to. I accidentally clicked when it gapped up. It didn't gap up at all, and I didn't want to. That's unfortunate. I mean, we had TRAT 684. Okay, that's bad. That's not bad. I think I had mine at 684 anyways. So, yeah, that's my bad because it didn't gap up at all. So, and I panicked. I got greedy. But I sold it pretty quick, so I was able to stop this loss. So let's see if we can. This was at 9:30 or 9:39 or not, basically at 9:40. We are going to be live. How's a crowd doing? So I'm looking for HWBC to go live and then rip. AMD puts, those were great. Those were great. Fuck, I wasn't paying attention. Those were great. I was looking for AMD puts below yesterday's low. Came back, retest, and it's absolutely dumping. So I do want to see this absolutely come back and retest, and then we can actually take AMD for puts. This is a nice retest right here. Fortunate. We're gonna have another retest. So let's see if we can get a nice pullback here. Pull back to the 9 EMA, 20 EMA. We're really overextended. Then we might be able to take some more puts today. We should be live here. We have around 20 seconds left here, guys, for HCWB. We should be live here. Not right now. We should be live in around 10 seconds. Here we go. We should be live here in 4 seconds. We should be live. We're live. We didn't gap up how I wanted to. So I didn't jump in. Because last time, that's how I got burned last time. If we do not break this full there, yep, there it is. No, Josh, you're about to get burned. He got out super quick. That was good. That was good. All right, we have AMD now. AMD, nice retest. We got how's ZM doing? I want to see it come back up above. AMC. Oh man, AMC bounced off 335. Oh man, that was great. That was great. Now I'm looking below market. I'm below today's low. Break today's low. I mean, we're gonna see this come down to 30, potentially 34.8. Oh, good morning. Thoughts on Punworth? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me know what the ticker is. Oh, there's the METX is breaking out. METX breaking out. Yeah. So I do like this METX. All right. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get a small pullback here. Not a huge fan of it right now. Why can't I see my halt level? That's strange. METX is breaking out. Increasing volume. Nice bounce off the trend line, guys. I would have been buying that dip, but I wasn't paying attention. GRTX is looking very good. Oh, yeah. This is a good song. I'm going to delete BKKT off the watch list. TRIT, MDGS. We have AMD puts. AMC, we had that bounce off 35, the trend line. Man, I think AMC has room down to $30 in the next few days. Hey, Joey. Guys, METX, I'm looking forward to. I want it to hold this level. I want to hold this 50 cent level. I like the way that it's popping up, increasing volume, decreasing volume on the pullback. I'm looking at the 5 minute chart here. We have decreasing volume on the 1 minute as well. I want to see this start to turn into a potential doji candle. I want to see us bounce off the 50 SMA or off the 200 or off the 20 EMA. We see that. I might be able to start scaling into this, looking for the break of that previous high back up to back up to 57 cents, maybe even 60. Look at time. Let's go ahead and take a peek. We might be forming a falling wedge almost. So I mean, if we don't start bouncing in the next few days, then I don't know what to tell you. But we might want to see a higher low here soon. I mean, I think where's the low? I'm not too sure where the low is. The lowest has been. We have decreasing volume now, but it's still only 1046. So we have SESN that's looking like that could rip. Let's see if we can get this going. I want to see SESN over 120 today. PSFE, yes, thank you. Yes. PSFE, we're right building up on a trend line. We gapped down a little bit a couple of days ago. I mean, as long as we don't break 690, I'm bullish. So I think the $7 support level is going to act as good psychological resistance or support. I think we could see it kind of break the downtrend, and then all we need is to break the 20 EMA to cross the 50, and then I think we have room back up to 9 and then potentially 10. And then, guys, that AMD put was printing. God, I'm still looking for AMD puts. Still looking for them. Could be a cup and handle potentially here, though. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. What about METX? Oh, yeah. There was the DBGI halted circuit breaker on store launch on Amazon. So they launched a store on Amazon. So this is going to be a good move. Okay, our bid ask spread is about the same. So I need to wait for it to go live here. I want to see it go live above 550. See it go live above or 551. Where can we go? Burger with 581. Room to 678. DBGI was halted at 9:47:02. We're going to be live at 9:52:02. We have about a minute left, or 2 minutes left. We had AMC puts. Gonna go live here in less than a minute. Gonna be live here at 9:52:02. I want to see this gap up above 551. I want to see a gap above 551. We have 20 seconds left. We're going to be live here in 5 seconds. Should be live and now. We're live, but I wasn't able to capitalize on it. It was too quick. It was way too quick for me. It was too fast for me. Into another hole. Wow. I missed it. I could have used a market order. I should have used a market order. HWBC break below this low, and I'm gonna remove this. DBGI that ripped. AMD. Ew. Shiba, Lucid. I made a Shiba dip today. Nice, nice, and Lucid. Shiba's, I mean, could continue to rip. I mean, anything can happen there. I mean, there's no... It's so, it's something. LICD. Wait. Lucid back up at... Lucid's up at, 29. I like that. I like that a lot. Break over 30? We have room up to 33. I'm not a fan of this. Of HCWB. TRIT is ripping. We're live. Cat Girl is going insane. The buy volume is rocketing. Cat Girl, what are you... Are we talking like, is that like a crypto? Vet is my favorite crypto. Vet's a great crypto. I love that. I know it's a little silly. Hear me out. Yes. Okay. Okay. Doge up 25%. No, I bought at the top. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. That was unfortunate. Let's see if it continues to break. Will it break? It'll break though. It'll continue to move. So I like that. I want to see this rip. And then I want to see a nice cup and handle here. Sell Doge by Shiba. It's all early retail money with low holders, but the exact same energy of early Shiba pump. Nice. Well, I don't invest in any of those. So, I mean... Yeah, I want to see TRIT back up to 934. 935. I'm not here shilling. It's seriously just a big opportunity. Where can you buy Cat Girl? You have to buy it on a decentralized exchange. We're still pretty bullish. I mean, we might be kind of coming down a little bit more, decreasing volume on this. I think we could see it pop up. I want to see it pop up to, I mean, Yep, there. Excuse me. Come on, break, break, break the high, break. I only got like a fourth of my position in right now. Yeah, that's all you guys. That's a lot of work to buy a shitcoin. Shiba's a shitcoin, Doge's a shitcoin. I know you guys don't want to hear that, but that's just how it is. I mean, it might go up. It's basically a gamble. You have no idea what's gonna happen to it. Yeah, come on. I know you want to. Look, I know, I'm not a crypto developer myself. I own a Wait, I'm a crypto developer myself. I own a project on Phantom. Huh, that's pretty cool. Now, that's cool. I'm not. I mean, I want to see this hold. Good morning. What do you think of BBLN? Good morning, man. Sound like Shiba Train is trying to get more followers. Yes, Shiba is trying to get more followers. Well, I mean, Shiba, it happens. I mean, congratulations to everyone who's made money on Shiba. Oh wow, IINN halted. Good morning, man. Sound like yep, BBLN. Let's go and look. Don't like the day trade, and not enough data for me to do anything. So. Oh man, I accidentally let it a little bit too much. But I do like to see, I want to see this kind of pull back a little bit more. Might be looking for this. But it's all marketing. Just do yourself a favor and just consider, even though fundamentals aren't logical. Hey, I mean, I'm not gonna put my time into that kind of stuff. Uh, I mean, I could and I probably should for it, but I really just don't want to right now for them right now. This is not good. I'm in a bad position now. Are you into interactive brokers? No, I'm using Thinkorswim. I'm gonna get out. I don't like it. I hold and into crypto. Yes, I am into crypto. We were live at not. We're gonna be live here in around 1 minute, or in around a couple seconds, actually. Let's see if we can get this gap up. Should be live here any second. Let's see if we can get filled. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get halted. Or METX. We have IN. Oh, wow. Wow. What is that? What is that? God damn it. You can borrow crypto 1% interest. Yeah, you can borrow crypto even less than 1%. God damn it. Guys, what are we talking? Why'd I sell? More interesting than trading. Yeah, whatever's interesting. I mean, that's you. You day trade? Yes. And I don't know. TRIT. What the fuck? I sold a little bit too early. Should have added into it. Unfortunate. Shiba killer. Crypto killer. Woo! Yes, yes. Investing. Ah. More investing than day trading? No, I day trade and I invest in crypto. So I'm in. Wait, I halted. Oh, halted again. I will be live at 10:30. Let's see if we can nail this trade again. Yeah. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Or we should be live here in around a minute. Will Chinese economy be up again? No idea. Don't pay attention. Oh. Mm. Should be live here in around 30 seconds. Gonna be live here in around 10 seconds. New messages. All right, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we should be live. Let's see where the gap. We did gap up. I'm not gonna get it though. Didn't jump into it because I didn't like how we gapped up a little bit. I'm looking at buying DWAC right now. I think we could see a nice red to green move on the 15-minute. We're getting increasing volume, and with a break over 30 or 73 to 74, we really have room back up to 82 potentially, 80 to 82, and then break over there. We have room up to 93. Not a huge fan. I mean, yeah, it's unfortunate, guys. I got in right here. Can PHUN bounce back? Potentially. Looks like we're bouncing now. Looking like we're kind of forming a cup. My focus would be more on GWAC. Thank you. Bought in at 1080. Woo! I don't know if it can bounce all the way there. We need some. That's a good amount for it to run back. I hope it goes back for you though. And like I want that, and I'm just looking for extra attention. Might be forming a cup and handle. We want to see it pull back. I mean, we don't want to see it break VWAP. So I might look to add in there. Add in just one at the moment. Just two at least. I'm going to add into these as it continues to come up. Once I get more confident in the trade, then I'll continue to add more and more and more. My entry's at 70-73 or 70-33. Don't like that decreasing volume. Honestly, we need a bounce. Might take some heat here. Want to see a crack 70-46. I might like to buy more. Oh, that's not what we want to see. Very light volume. Don't like that wick. Don't like that. I mean, I want to see us start to, with decreasing volume. I'm getting out there. Fuck it. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'll take my small loss. Could be a fake out, but thank you for the follow. Ayo, let me join. Join what? I mean, you can come up to okay. Come over to the oh, we have to get halted potentially. How's the SPY doing? Okay. Where do you see Bitcoin going? 100,000. 100,000. I'm looking to take some puts for a crowd. Yeah, yeah. 280, 280. $275 through. If we can see AMD come back down and touch 280, that would be ideal. Customize. Come on, AMD. I know you want to come down. We have a gap. Any stock in day trade to flip 22? To flip like 22 bucks? Opinion on BITO. It's going to follow Bitcoin, so whatever Bitcoin's going to do. And I think it's bullish. I want to see a pullback here because I was looking to get up at the top, but wasn't able to capitalize on it, which is unfortunate. Oh. I want to see it come down to 280 today. I want to catch its whole move. I'm in at 330. 330 limit. Oh man, I don't like that we had that increasing in volume there. I want to see it break and continue to come down here. I want to see it continue to come down. We have the 9 and 20 EMA that are kind of we're getting rejected off that. We've got rejected off the nice head and shoulders pattern. Potential or diamond pattern. I haven't traded a diamond pattern in so long. It looks like we just broke out. There's the retest. Now we're going to continue to come down. So I do want to see this pull back. Oh, I'm looking for AMD or crowd. ITO. Not on. Come on, I know you want to come down. Let's go. Speed it up. There we go. It gapped down. It should continue. Break 282 right now. Break 282. I know you want to. Come on. I know you want to. I know you want to come down to VWAP. All right, guys. I'm going to end my my live stream on TikTok here and the YouTube on live. Thank you so much. I got to make a phone call. Thank you guys so much for popping in. I will see you guys tomorrow morning at, oh, there's crowd, $35 in there. That's what we're talking about. We're already up 5% or more. So on this trade, thank you guys so much for stopping in. A 1,700 a day. Woo! That's what we like to hear right here. That's what I like. All right. Thank you guys so much for popping in. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for popping in. I'll see you guys.